Where should I file my court case? If you have a civil legal issue, you may need to file a lawsuit in court. Civil legal issues can include family law cases like divorce or child custody, housing issues like eviction or repair cases, small claims cases, and debt collection cases. If you decide to file a civil suit in Texas, you must figure out the proper county and court in which to file. Some civil suits are filed in the county where one or both parties live or where the legal issue took place. This may vary depending on what the legal issue is. You will also need to determine which court is appropriate for your case. Texas has several levels of trial courts, including local courts, county courts, and district courts. Filing in the appropriate court may depend on the type of legal issue or the amount of money involved in the case. Once you've determined what county and court are appropriate, you will need to file your lawsuit with the court clerk's office. Be sure to ask the court clerk's office for info on any specific court rules and procedures. You should talk to a lawyer if you need help determining the right place to file.